Hello student, in previous video we have seen some concept of triangle. Definition of the triangle. What is triangle? Triangle is three-side polygon. After that we have completed types of triangle according to their sides and the angle. According to their side, types of the triangles are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. And types of triangles according to angles, three types are there. First is acute angle triangle, second is right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Then we have completed the median of the triangle and altitude of the triangle. Okay, in today's video I am going to explain some question based on this concept from exercise 6.1. Question number 1 is given. In adjoint figure is given triangle PQR. Then here we have to answer the question. A example is given. Name the vertex opposite to side PQ. Now which is the side of the triangle? PQ is the side of the triangle. Okay. Now what is the vertex opposite to the side PQ? Now this is the side PQ and R is the vertex, this point R. Which are the vertex of the triangle? PQR are the vertex of the triangle. And R is the vertex opposite to the side PQ. Okay. Therefore answer for A is what? The vertex opposite to the side PQ is vertex R. Okay. Then see the next example. Name the side opposite to vertex Q. Now see the vertex Q in the given figure or the triangle. This is the vertex Q. Now what is the side opposite to the vertex Q? Now in front of this vertex, which side is there? Side PR. Okay, therefore here I write the answer side PR. This is the side opposite to the vertex Q. Okay. Then see the C example. Name the angle opposite to side QR. First here we see the side QR. And what is the angle opposite to side QR? Angle P. Okay. And this angle we can write angle QPR. Angle QPR. This is the angle opposite to the side QR. Okay. This is the answer for C example. Then D example is given. Name the side opposite to angle R. Now where is the angle R in triangle PQR? This is the angle R. Now what is the side opposite to angle R? That is side PQ. Clear? This is the side opposite to angle R. Therefore here I write the answer side PQ. Okay? In this way here we complete the question number 1. Now see the question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Answer the following question. A example in that this figure is given. Okay. Now what is the question here? Which vertex is opposite to side PQ of triangle PQR? Now in this figure first we find out the triangle PQR. This is the triangle. Okay. Now according to question, which vertex is opposite to side PQ? First here we find out the side PQ. This is the side PQ of triangle PQR. And what is the vertex opposite to the PQ? That is the vertex R for triangle PQR. Therefore here I write the answer vertex R. This is the vertex opposite to the side PQ of triangle PQR. Clear? Then see the next example B. Which side is opposite to the vertex Q of triangle PQS? Now this is the figure is given. First here we find out the triangle PQS. PQS. It means this triangle. Okay. Now in this triangle, here we have to find out the side opposite to vertex Q. Now what is the side opposite to the vertex Q in triangle PQS? This is the vertex Q. Okay. Then which is the side opposite to the vertex Q? That is the PS. Therefore here I write the answer side PS, which is the opposite side to the, this is the side opposite to the vertex Q. Now see the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. In adjoint figure, look at the adjoint figure and complete the following statement. Figure is given like that in question number 3. First example is given, the median of triangle PRS. Now where is the triangle PRS? This is S vertex, okay. This is P, R and S. This is the triangle. We know that what is the median? The segment joining the vertex of the triangle to midpoint of its opposite side. Then that line segment is called the median. Now what is the median in this triangle? These are given equal. It means U is the midpoint of SR, right? And from P vertex, this is the line segment, is the median of triangle PSR. Therefore here I write PU or segment PU is the median of the triangle PSR. This is the answer for the first question. Then B is the median of triangle PQS. It is P, Q and S. This triangle. Sorry, P, Q, U. P, Q and U for this triangle. Now for this triangle, what is the median? R is the midpoint of UQ. Okay. Therefore, PR is the median here. Therefore, we write segment PR is the median of triangle PQU. Okay. This is the answer for the B example. Now see the next example. Next example is given, the altitude of corresponding to the side PQ in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. PQR. What is the altitude here? Segment RT. Now this is the perpendicular from the vertex to its opposite side. There is an angle of 90 degree. Therefore RT is the altitude of triangle PQR. Therefore what is the answer here? Segment RT. Okay. Student, I hope you understand all these three questions from exercise 6.1. This is all for today. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much.